Okay, as usual, it is blowing an absolute gale here today, so I'm going to try and make this all fairly quick. So this is just really to show you now the dual chain ring. So there now we've got the dual chain ring in place. It wasn't a difficult install, but bizarrely when you buy one of these things from China, now I kind of expected there to be a two rings fixed together with a spacer in between, and just bolt them in place. Apparently not. What you actually just get is two chain rings, and then you just got to place them yourself. So there it is. All seems to work. What will not work, I can say, as you can see, I've now removed the front derailleur. That front derailleur, I could not get that to work. It just doesn't seem to want to position correctly. I'm not sure if there's something I was doing wrong there or not, but I fiddled with it. In the end I decided, you know what, chances are I'm not really going to need to change on the fly between these particular two rings, so I'm just going to leave it as a manual jobby, so I will be changing there manually. I've not tested this yet. I've got no idea how it works. I haven't had time, because I also took the motor apart at the same time and replaced the nylon gear cog with a metal brass gear cog. As you'll see in some of the pictures, go on the site. I'm going to put up a post up there with instructions on how to do that. But otherwise you can see exactly how that seems to work. It looks like we've got plenty of space between the two, so I don't envisage any problems. I'll have to adjust the rear derailleur slightly. Other than that, looks good. Fairly simple, if not time-consuming install. If you put them both in at the same time, both that cog and these ones, and it's probably the best way to do it, to be honest with you, once you've got it all apart. But there you go. All right. So I hope that just shows what you need to see when you're thinking about